we will work together. On the 20th Congress, mamapasa na talaga itong DHW bill. Kasi sa totoo lang nakakalito. Who pays them? They're basically under the LGU. They're given allowances by the barangays, mayors, honoraria, and the governor. Pero kulang pa rin po. May I suggest, baka naman the DOH can also give their part. Kasi these are really frontliners na once we can empower, can really make the primary health care more effective and more efficient. And we require all hospitals, especially private hospitals, to appoint designated employees or staff. As DOH, mag-ibis naman kayo, 17 days na lang. Pero sa totoo lang,
Late sila nag-submit.
Actually, may problema talaga sa hospital. So baka the DOH strictly
Bayar
require
sa buwat,
all
by contract.
hospitals
Mag-through mo.
dedicated staff to facilitate all these claims.